Hey, what's up, guys? We're here in Long Beach, and we're with the 3rd, 4th, and 5th graders. We're doing a tournament starting next week. We're just watching them play right now and monitoring them and stuff, so there's a big turnout. I'm super tired. I've been up at 5 o'clock every morning for the last 4 weeks, teaching chess in the schools, doing all the promotion stuff, but the kids love it. We have 245 kids here. So this is 3rd through 5th. We got 2nd grade outside, and then kinder and 1st grade in the foyer. But yeah, it's a great turnout. Kids love it. Coach Sebastian was the one who came and did the in-class introductory to chess in the morning time, and yeah, it was a hit. So yeah, we're gonna continue doing this. We're gonna have a donut party for the kids because they earned it. So probably the last day. But yeah, stay tuned. Candy? Yeah! You ready for prizes? Yeah! My name is Mr. Josh. Yeah! Oh, this is Mr. Coach Davis and Coach Mark. Say hi, Coach Davis. Hi, Coach Davis. And that's Coach Marvin. Say hi, Coach Mark. Hi, Coach Mark. You heard me, brother. Put your backpack down, brother. Waterfall. Hey, sit down in front of me, right here. Sit down. Crack on his head? Does anybody know? Who knows how? Don't worry, he's alive and he's good. What's up, handsome curly? Look.
Can Vanilla take this pawn here?
Repeat after me. We capture
We capture
what we land on.
what we land
We
on.
capture what we land on.
We capture what we land on.
1 square, 2 square, 1 to the side. But do you just take everything you jumped over? No, you just take what you land on.
Can the king ever get a checkmate? No. So this is insufficient material. So this is a checkmate. So a king and a rook, these are the least amount of pieces you can have to get a checkmate.
Jump off the board. Check. Yeah, it was hot earlier, but now we got that wind going. All right, guys, it's the first day. We got 5 more weeks here. It was a great turnout, and it was a successful chess club. So we'll see you guys at the next school. And we're back in the groove of things because the school started probably like, what, a month ago? Yeah, so we're back in chess. So like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe to their channels too. Peace!